emergency services, courier services, crop monitoring, traffic management. Drones are here to stay and offer us endless opportunities, but we also need to deploy them safely, test them, and coordinate their movements with other airspace users. Indra's U-Space platform has made this necessity a reality. Currently, it's the most advanced system on the market, already in deployment in Spain, and ready to be rolled out worldwide, bringing maximum levels of safety and efficiency to drone operations, ensuring full integration with ATM systems, and offering the most innovative and advanced services to all official bodies, giving them access to U-Space management. This platform is based on full automated and digitalized operations, and it's the first solution involved in the certification process required for this type of system in Europe. Want to find out more about this technology which is revolutionizing our skies? With Indra, you can find out.